What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we are going to be fixing our old slime, and this is the slime. So it is pretty fun to play, very fun to poke, but grippy and rubbery at the same time. So I'm going to be using my new mic in this video because my old mic got broken. This is my new mic. My sister broke my old mic. Look, it is pretty rippy, and now I don't have time to buy a new mic because I have to go to another country tomorrow, and I have to film 7 videos today, so that is the problem. So I cannot buy a new mic today. I have to film all day long. In order to fix your old slime, put your slime in a bowl, add in some water, and now take your bowl and put it in the microwave for a minute. Guys, be careful with the slime. It is very hot, and we cannot let it cool because it will become hard again. So you guys can see the slime is pretty soft now. If you microwave it for too long, it will melt. Guys, this is the slime right now. It is so much softer, and I'm kneading it in. And be careful if you're a kid. Like, it's pretty hot, so be careful with it. If your slime ends up melting because you microwaved it for too long, then you can separate the water from the slime and activate it. If you guys want to check out the video in which I reviewed the slime, then be sure to click the I button in the top right corner to check out the video in which I reviewed this slime and also other slimes with it. Or if you guys don't want to click that I button, then you guys can click the link in the description box where I linked the video in which I reviewed this slime. Guys, volume up for ASMR sounds. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video and comment down below any video suggestions, and from now on I will be uploading after every 2 weeks.